Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If you're seeing me for the first time, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Alright, so today's video I'll be showing you guys how to fix your bottom lashes and your top lashes. All the hacks and tricks you're going to learn, I'm going to list them step by step as I go in this video. So if you think this is something you're interested in, definitely do keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're not subscribed already, and yeah, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers that just subscribed in about say last week or a few days back. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope you love our videos. I hope you enjoy it here, and yeah, so let's just get right into this video. This is the lash I'll be fixing on myself today. This one is in the style Tombs. This one is from a lash company here in Nigeria. They are called Wynkklashes. So I already went ahead to actually trim the lashes to my eye size because I have really small eyes, and the lash band for these lashes was really long, so I had to go ahead and cut it. And then I also had to customize the lash. What I mean by customize was it was a bit too long, and you know, it's one of those 25 mm lash, and it was really long, and it was literally touching my brows, so I had to like use my scissors to cut everything and, you know, customize the lashes. And this is what it's looking like right now. Alright, so the first thing you want to do when it comes to lash, you want to figure out, because most of the lashes come in different styles and different lengths, but some of them come in like left and right, so you have to figure out which lash is for your left eye or which one is for your right eye. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? But majority of them don't come like that. Some of them are just like the same, so you can pick any one and put on your right eye, on the left eye. So you have to figure out which one is for your left eye. Now, looking at this lash already, I already know that this one is for this eye and this one is for this eye. Okay, so if you're a beginner, the very first thing I advise you to do is to get a liquid liner and, you know, draw your wing liner, so it will help you it will serve as a guide, right? So you know exactly where to actually put your lashes. So liquid liners are very tricky, you guys. Like, you want to make sure that you stay as close to your natural lashes as possible, and if you don't like liquids, you can definitely use gel liners. The next thing I want to do is mascara. You guys, you never ever want to fix your lashes without, you know, curling, you know, applying at least 1 or 2 coats of mascara to your lashes. It will just help, because after your eyeshadow, you probably have some fallout on your eyelash, and then when you fix your lashes like that on top of it, it gives this very tacky, unnatural, unprofessional look. So you're trying to, we know you have falsies on, right? But we don't want to see where your eyelash and your falsies are, as in, we don't want to see those demarcations. You get what I mean? So it's very important that you know, sort of like camouflage this using your mascara. And what I like to do is to roll and then go upwards like this. Zaroncosmetics, as well as this one I use on my top lashes. This one is specifically for, you know, your bottom lashes, and the one is pretty small, so it's tiny enough to pick up any to pick up your lashes as small as they are. Out right now. So if you're a beginner, I'd advise that you start off with a lash glue that's fast drying. What I mean by fast drying, it means once you apply the glue on your lashes, it dries almost immediately, so you don't have to wait forever and ever. I'll be applying the lash glue directly on my lid, then I will transfer the lashes on my eyelid. And that's the trick. This is the fastest and the easiest way if you're a beginner to fix your falsies. Take it from me, right? So I'm almost out of the bottle already, so I'm going to use this to collect it, the product, just a little bit. And once I have that on the brush, it's very tiny, I'm going to look up and place it. Is drying down, I'll do the same thing for the other eye. make sure not to go out of the line, your lash, the liquid liner, the liner that you just drew. Make sure you don't go out of that line. And then next thing now you want to do is to get your lashes. Remember, right, left. So I'm going to pick this and I'm going to look up with a little mirror and drop this directly on my eyelid. Then I'll fix the outer corner and inner corner. And immediately lashes are stuck to my eyes. I will be repeating the same process for the second eye, and I really want you guys to watch me closely, see exactly what I'm doing. I have a little mirror in front of me, so I get to open my eyes and then, you know, sort of like raise my head up a little bit so I can see. Now, once I'm connecting the outer corner, I look down so I can see exactly where to drop it and make sure it's not out of line or out of place. And this is just the easiest, most fastest way you can fix your lash. Do you guys see how easy that is? Like, it's so easy. Okay, so I'm going to give it a second before I press it, alright? Sort of like wet my hand with water, just a little bit. I learned this trick from those ladies in the market. You know, when they are trying to fix those strip lashes for you, they sort of wet their hands, and the only reason why they do that is because they don't want the glue to stick to their hand and you can mistakenly pull the lashes. So you see what I'm doing? Do you guys see? That line is completely eliminated. Like, this is so cute. Like, okay, so time to fix our bottom lashes. Now the one I'll be using today is also from Wynkklashes. It's this, they're 5-in-1. Guys, that's what it looks like. So I'm going to cut it in sections and then gently fix it underneath my eye area. Get a swap mirror. I'm going to put this first one behind. Raise it up a little bit. So it's not like it's flat or anything, like it's looking like my other lashes, you get. Yeah, sometimes it might happen while you're placing it, it will come off, but don't be scared, just put it back. And sometimes you feel like it's sticking to this metal, you have to remove the glue. Go back and fix it. Do you see that? So when you get to the front, you want to be careful not to apply too much glue. If not, it might mess up what you already have on here. And this is pretty much everything, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't. Comment down below if you're able to learn anything new, and if you're going to try my technique on how to fix false lashes, do let me know. And this is what the eye is looking like, and yeah, I think it's pretty decent. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.